你太厉害了，你就是最优秀的。
Yes!
你好勇敢呀！你真是个天才！哇，你真棒！
Yes! Soon!
Let's first go to Google browser. Let's search echo.io. Here, Infinity Keys. We have several different versions. Let's click for this English version and run. So currently this is available for Android. You can use the joystick on the right to control the movement, and you can use the button upper arrow on the left to control the jump. You can either hit W or space on the keyboard to control the jump. Meanwhile, drag the joystick on the screen of your PC. Okay, let's enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got it. 1. You are amazing. You're fantastic. 1. You're so clever. You got it. 2. You're so clever. 2. You are excellent. You got it. 3. Great job. 3. 3. Excellent. 3. Intelligent. You got it. 4. You can do it. 4. 4. You did great job. You got it. 5. You're fantastic. 5. 6. You did great job. 6. You got it. 1, 2. 4, 5, 6. You got it. You did an amazing job. You are the hero. And besides that, we have put the link of the game on the description below. And it would be so appreciated that you can give any advice for the next updation. And besides, we are working on a storyline of this game.